Completely updated in 2020. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath and unit with fireplace, central air, updated kitchen with newer appliances, and subway tile backsplash. Newer flooring throughout, updated baths on both levels, newer furnace, central air, hot water heater, water softener, and a community lake and playground, all in a great commuter location. Huge master bedroom, has so much room and offers a large walk-in closet and pull-down stairs to attic storage. The second bedroom and the laundry room are also on this level, making even that job convenient. Great investment property. Property currently has an excellent tenant,